This is what I played today. Today I'm going to play DDLC. This is Dogi Dogi Literature Club. So magduwaan na ita karon. By the way, Jeff. What's up, man? Have you decided to wap ako? Wap ka na. Yeah, he's not sure. You were telling me to join the club this year. Did I? I'm not sure. Possibly. One more conversations go along. Ganun din. Ato ta sa... Pero marang maninig characters ano eh. Well, return ta. Siri likes to word. One games in anime. Thinking about word na yan. Yes, before college, I think senior high ni. I think senior high ni sunod. Marang senior high. I think senior high ni. Marang senior high ni senior high na ni Yaha. Yun nga siya before college. So, senior high school. For real. Senior high man tayo karon. So, but I died. But a lot of you becoming neat in a few years because of real. Trust me, right? No big would keep me worrying about you. Alright. I'll look at a few clubs if no promise though. Well, this promise to try a little. I promise to. Yay! Nice! Carefree girl. Pookie Bear. Ito yung Pookie Bear ko. Ito yung Pookie Bear ko. Siya yung Pookie Bear ko. Clubs. Sorry, I wanna check out some clubs. What's it turn sa anime club? Hello? Say Yori. Yo! Ito naman yung Pookie ko. Tingnan natin yung... Okay. Dito. Would you come to my club? Say Yori. Yeah. There is no way I'm going out to a club. Mini. Oy. Yo. Vice President siya. Isa Vice President chatin niyo. 99% sure thought she would be fun to help start a new club. Who prospers the club title Vice President. Yeah, I'm going to the anime club. Come on, please. Why did you not care so much? Where have you been? That's okay, made copy this in. Fine, I'll start with cupcake. Tingnan mo na yan. Tingnan mo. Ito yung Kiffy. Ito na yan yung Kiffy. Yo. I think si Yuri. Ito na yan yung pinaka-tough girl. Tangina. Jeff. Oh, ito. Monica. Si Monica, ito. Siya ay isang antagonist. Pero ipa-delete sa akin siya. Pero, may Kiffy. Isang cutie. Bro. Siya yung Kiffy. Siya yung burat. Siya ang Kiffy. Siya ang cutie. Cutie or Pookie Bear. Oh, cute girls. You're looking at the same setting. So sorry, Natsuki. Yeah. She's a tough girl. Isog kaday. Pag short nila, pag isog kayo ka. Isog mo ni bata? Ganun bata, isog kayo ni. Ignore when she gets moody, what's siya sa mood? What dude na siya sa mood? Smartest. Like si OJ ni siguro ang, diba, in real life, OJ is kind of smartest in math, so he will get bigger. Ito, my anxiety is abuse, shy, depression. Di mo alam sila tatlo may isang kondisyon na ito. Pero hindi siya nawalan ng kondisyon. Siya lang. Silang dalawa ito. Isang cute. Isa yung Pookie.